Ram Ram. Sarvebhyah Hritpurvaka Namaskaraha. Welcome to class 7 of Learn to Chant Saundarya Lahari of Adi Shankaracharya. So we have learned till verse 16. As usual, we will have a quick recap of the verses learned in the previous class and proceed to learn till verse 20 today. Swagatam, welcome to all of you and welcome to our panelists for today. I request all the panelists to please rename yourselves with your name so that I will know the panelists who are present. Some of you have not yet renamed yourselves, so please rename yourselves. And let us begin as usual with Guru Vandanam and prayers to Shankara Bhagavat Padacharya. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम् सौन्दर्यलहरी कर्त्रे सर्वमङ्गलदायिने शङ्कराचार्यवर्याय यतिराजायते नमः. So as usual, the first verse followed by the verses which we have learnt in the previous class before we begin with the verses for today. शिवशक्त्या युक्तः यदि भवति शक्तः प्रभवितुं न चेदेवं देवः न खलु कुशलः स्पन्दितुमपि अतस्त्वामाराध्यां हरिहरविरिञ्चादिभिरपि प्रणन्तुं स्तोतुं वा कथमकृतपुण्यप्रभवति. So we learned 13 to 16 in the previous class. We will have a quick recap of these verses. Naram varshiyamsam nayanavirasamnarma sujadam tavapangaloke patitamanu-dhavanti shatashah galadveni bandhaः कुचकलशविस्रस्तसिचयाः हठात् त्रुट्यत्काञ्च्यः विगलितदुकूला युवतयः क्षितौ षट्पञ्चाशत् द्विसमधिकपञ्चाशदुदके हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः चतुरधिकपञ्चाशदनिले दिवि द्विषट्त्रिंशत् मनसि च चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि तव पादाम्बुजयुगम् शरज्योत्स्ना शुद्धां शशियुतजटाजूटमकुटां वरत्रासत्राणस्फटिकघटिका पुस्तककरां सकृन्नत्वा नत्वा कथमिव सतां सन्निदधते मधु क्षीरद्राक्षा मधुरि मधुरीणा फणितयः कवीन्द्राणां चेतः कमलवनबालातपरुचिं भजन्ते ये सन्तः कतिचिदरुणामेव भवतीं विरिञ्चि प्रेयस्याः तरुणतरशृङ्गारलहरी गभीराभिर्वाग्भिः विदधति सतां रञ्जनममी. Let us begin from the 17th verse. After we finish 20 verses this class, next class we'll have a revision of 20 verses followed by individual chanting. So please practice these 20 verses so that you all can chant individually next class. Let us begin 17th verse. Shivani. सवित्रीभिर्वाचा
सवित्रीभिर्वाचा सवित्रीभिर्वाचा
शशिमणिशिलाभङ्गरुचिभिः
शशिमणिशिलाभङ्गरुचिभिः शशिमणिशिलाभङ्गरुचिभिः
वशिन्याद्याभिस्त्वाम्
वशिन्याद्याभिस्त्वाम्
सहजननी संचिन्तयति यः सकर्ता काव्यानां भवति महतां भङ्गिरुचिभिः वचोभिर्वाग्देवी वदनकमलामोदमधुरैः उत्तमम्. सवित्रीभिर्वाचां, भी is महाप्राणा. शशिमणिशिलाभङ्गरुचिभिः, भ and भी महाप्राणा. वशिन्याद्याभिस्त्वां, भी. सहजननि संचिन्तयति यः. सकर्ता काव्यानां भवति, भ is महाप्राणा, महतां. भङ्गिरुचिभिः, भ and भी. Next line, we are not supposed to pause after Vagdevi. As you see, it is one word, a compound word or samastapadam. But because we were learning for the first time, I paused after Vagdevi. But please do not pause there. It has to be chanted at a stretch without taking a breath in between. So, Vachobhir, bhi is Mahaprana. Vachobhir Vagdevi Vadana Kamala Moda Madhuraihi. Till there, at the stretch we chant. Therefore, we have not given any gap here in between this pada. Savitribhirvacham shashimanishilabhangaruchibhihi.
सवित्रीभिर्वाचां शशिमणिशिलाभङ्गरुचिभिः सवित्रीभिर्वाचां शशिमणिशिलाभङ्गरुचिभिः
वशिन्याद्याभिस्त्वां सह जननि सञ्चिन्तयति यः
वशिन्याद्याभिस्त्वां सह जननि सञ्चिन्तयति यः वशिन्याद्याभिस्त्वां सह जननि सञ्चिन्तयति यः
सकर्ता काव्यानां भवति महतां भङ्गिरुचिभिः
सकर्ता काव्यानां भवति महतां भङ्गिरुचिभिः सकर्ता काव्यानां भवति महतां भङ्गरुचिभिः
भङ्गिरुचिभिः
भङ्गिरुचिभिः भङ्गिरुचिभिः.
All of you please note here in the first pada, the first quarter, it is bhangaruchibhihi, whereas in the third pada or the third quarter it is bhangiruchibhihi. This sounds similar. First time it is bhangaruchibhihi in the first line, the third line it is bhangiruchibhihi. So please all of you note that and chant that carefully. वाचोभिर्वाग्देवी वदन कमलामोदमधुरैः
वचोभिर्वाग्देवी वदन कमलामोदमधुरैः वचोभिर्वाग्देवी वदन कमलामोदमधुरैः.
Uttamam. Now half a verse at a time. So 2 padas together. Savitribhirvacham shashimani-shilabhangaruchibhihi vashinyadhyabhistvam sahajanani sanchintayati yaha.
सवित्रीभिर्वाचां शशिमणिशिलाभङ्गरुचिभिः वशिन्याद्याभिस्त्वां सह जननि सञ्चिन्तयति यः सवित्रीभिर्वाचां शशिमणिशिलाभङ्गरुचिभिः वशिन्याद्याभिस्त्वां सह जननि सञ्चिन्तयति यः
सकर्ता काव्यानां भवति महतां भङ्गिरुचिभिः वचोभिर्वाग्देवी वदन कमलामोदमधुरैः.
सकर्ता काव्यानां भवति महतां भङ्गिरुचिभिः वचोभिर्वाग्देवी वदन कमलामोदमधुरैः सकर्ता काव्यानां भवति महतां भङ्गिरुचिभिः वचोभिर्वाग्देवी वदन कमलामोदमधुरैः.
Uttamam. Vashinyadhyabhistvam. Here this dhya, it is not a mahaprana. One of you has typed that question out. It is not a mahaprana. So please note that this dhya here, Vashinyadhyabhihi tvam. This dhya here, it is like vidya. So even in the word vidya, it is d plus ya. It is not dh, it is not mahaprana dha. It is this here what you see, this da in Vagdevi. It is the same da here combined with ya, which gives you dhya. Okay, the other dha is this dha in Madhuraihi, what you see, that is mahaprana. But here Vashinyadhyabhistvam, it is dhya. Similarly, like I said, in the word vidya also, It is not Vidya. It is Vidya. Okay, so let us not get confused there. Now the entire verse, once by Shivani and followed by Kavya. Savitribhirvacham Shashimani Shilabhangaruchibhihi Vashinyadhyabhistvam Sahajanani Sanchintayati Yaha Sakarta Kavyanam Bhavati Mahatam Bhangiruchibhihi Vachobhirvagdevi Vadana Kamalamodamadhuraihi
Savitribhirvacham Shashimani-shilabhangaruchibhihi Vashinyadhyabhistvam Sahajanani Sanchintayati Yaha Sakarta Kavyanam Bhavati Mahatam Bhangiruchibhihi Vachobhirvagdevi Vadana Kamalamodamadhuraihi
Savitribhirvacham Shashimani-shilabhangaruchibhihi Vashinyadhyabhistvam Sahajanani Sanchintayati Yaha Sakarta Kavyanam Bhavati Mahatam Bhangiruchibhihi Vachobhirvagdevi Vadana Kamalamodamadhuraihi.
Uttamam. Savitribhirvacham. Bhi, it is a hrasva. So we should not chant it as Savitribhirvacham. That would be wrong. It is Savitribhirvacham. Okay, so I hope that is clear. We will move to the next verse, 18th verse. Charu. Tanuchhayabhiste
Tanuchhayabhiste Tanuchhayabhiste
Taruna Taranishri Saranibhihi
Taruna Taranishri Saranibhihi Taruna Taranishri Saranibhihi
Divam Sarvamurvim
Divam Sarvamurvim Divam Sarvamurvim
Arunimani Magnam Smarati Yaha
Arunimani Magnam Smarati Yaha Arunimani Magnam Smarati Yaha
Bhavantyasya
Bhavantyasya
Trasyadvana Harina Shalina Nayanaha
Trasyadvana Harina Shalina Nayanaha Trasyadvana Harina Shalina Nayanaha
Sahor Vashya Vashyaha
Sahor Vashya Vashyaha Sahor Vashya Vashyaha
Kati Katina
Kati Katina Kati Katina
Girvana Ganikaha
Girvana Ganikaha Girvana Ganikaha
Tanuchhayabhiste. Cha, second cha is Mahaprana, then bhi is Mahaprana. Taruna, first is Taruna, second is Tarani. So please note Taruna Tarani Shri, Dvitvam here. Between ni and shri, taranishri, extra sh is heard, so double sound dvitvam. Taruna taranishri sarani bhihi. Bha is Mahaprana. Divam sarvamurvim aruni mani magnam smarati yaha. Here, if you want, instead of pausing after divam sarvam urvim, you can chant it as divam sarvam urvim aruni mani. So m plus a will become ma. It's a gunitaksharam. So divam sarvam urvim aruni mani magnam is also correct. Then bhavantya, bha is Mahaprana. While chanting together, we get a dvitvam before trasya. So bhavantyasya dvana. Bhavantyasya. So extra t is heard here between bhavantyasya and trasya. So that is dvitvam. Bhavantyasya dvana harina shalina nayanaha. Here also dvitvam. After trasya dvana, there's a stress for d. Sahor vashya vashyaha kati katina girvana ganikaha. If you choose not to pause after vashyaha, we have to pronounce it as a jihva muliya. That is vashyah kati katina. But if you choose to pause, chant the visarga completely and then take a pause. Kati katina girvana ganikaha. Tanuchaya bhiste taruna tarani shri sarani bhihi.
Tanuchaya bhiste taruna tarani shri sarani bhihi. Tanuchaya bhiste taruna tarani shri sarani bhihi.
Divam sarvamurvim aruni mani magnam smarati yaha.
Divam sarvamurvim arunamani magnam smarati yaha.
Aruni mani, it is not aruna, it is aruni mani. Aruni mani magnam smarati yaha.
Aruni mani magnam smarati yaha. Aruni mani magnam smarati yaha.
Bhavantyasya trasya dvana harina shalina nayanaha.
Bhavantyasya trasya dvana harina shalina nayanaha. Bhavantyasya trasya dvana harina shalina nayanaha.
Sahor vashya vashyaha kati katina girvana ganikaha.
Sahor vashya vashyaha kati katina girvana ganikaha. Sahor vashya vashyaha kati katina girvana ganikaha.
Now 2 lines at a time, that is half a verse. Tanuchaya bhiste taruna tarani shri sarani bhihi. Divam sarvamurvim aruni mani magnam smarati yaha.
Tanuchaya bhiste taruna tarani shri sarani bhihi. Divam sarvamurvim aruni mani magnam smarati yaha. Tanuchaya bhiste taruna tarani shri sarani bhihi. Divam sarvamurvim aruni mani magnam smarati yaha.
Bhavantyasya trasya dvana harina shalina nayanaha. Sahor vashya vashyaha kati katina girvana ganikaha.
भवन्त्यस्यत्रस्यद्वनहरिणशालीननयनाः सहोर्वश्यावश्याः कति कति न गीर्वाणगणिकाः भवन्त्यस्यत्रस्यद्वनहरिणशालीननयनाः सहोर्वश्यावश्याः कति कति न गीर्वाणगणिकाः.
Uttamam. Now the entire verse, once by Charu, next by Vihan. Tanu chhayabhiste tarunatarani-shri saranibhihi divam sarvamurvimarunimanimagnam smaratiyah भवन्त्यस्यत्रस्यद्वनहरिणशालीननयनाः सहोर्वश्यावश्याः कति कति न गीर्वाणगणिकाः.
तनुच्छायाभिस्ते तरुणतरणिश्रीसरणिभिः दिवं सर्वामुर्वीम् अरुणिमनिमग्नां स्मरति यः भवन्त्यस्यत्रस्यद्वनहरिणशालीननयनाः सहोर्वश्यावश्याः कति कति न गीर्वाणगणिकाः.
Now by Vihan.
तनुच्छायाभिस्ते तरुणतरणिश्रीसरणिभिः दिवं सर्वामुर्वीम् अरुणिमनिमग्नां स्मरति यः भवन्त्यस्यत्रस्यद्वनहरिणशालीननयनाः सहोर्वश्यावश्याः कति कति न गीर्वाणगणिकाः.
Please note this. Bhavantyasyatrasyadvanaharinashalina. So note each and every letter carefully while chanting. And the rules pertaining to Visarga, as one of you has asked me, we have dealt with it in detail in the first class. But in any case, like I said, if it is with reference to this particular verse, Sahor Vashya Vashyaha, we chant the Visarga completely if we are pausing. Okay, but if you choose not to pause, then Visarga followed by Ka, we get a Jihva Muliya. So, Sahor Vashya Vashya Kati Kati na Girvana Ganikaha. That is how we chant. That rule holds good in most places, as in whenever we are pausing, if there is a Visarga in the end and we choose to take a pause there, we chant the Visarga. However, if we choose to combine the Sandhi, sometimes it is like in this case a Jihva Muliya, Visarga followed by Ka or Kha. Sometimes it is an Upadhmaniya, that is a Visarga followed by Pa or Pa. And in other places, it could be a Visarga Sandhi, whether Sakara Sandhi or whichever. So it depends on which letter follows the Visarga. So based on that, the Sandhi rules will apply. So wherever it is applicable, I will let you know. Okay, thank you, Charu and Vihan. Next verse, verse number 19, Prithvi. Mukham bindum kritva.
मुखं बिन्दुं कृत्वा मुखं बिन्दुं कृत्वा
कुचयुगमधस्तस्य तदधः
कुचयुगमधस्तस्य तदधः कुचयुगमधस्तस्य तदधः
हरार्धं ध्यायेद्यः
हरार्धं ध्यायेद्यः हरार्धं ध्यायेद्यः
हरमहिषिते मन्मथकलाम्
हरमहिषिते मन्मथकलां हरमहिषिते मन्मथकलाम्
ससद्यः संक्षोभम्
ससद्यः संक्षोभं ससद्यः संक्षोभं
नयति वनिता इत्यतिलघु
नयति वनिता इत्यतिलघु नयति वनिता इत्यतिलघु
त्रिलोकीमप्याशु
त्रिलोकीमप्याशु त्रिलोकीमप्याशु
भ्रमयति रवीन्दुस्तनयुगा
भ्रमयति रवीन्दुस्तनयुगां भ्रमयति रवीन्दुस्तनयुगाम्
मुखम ख is महाप्राणा बिंदुम कृत्वा कुचयुगमधस्तस्य ध is महाप्राणा तदधः first the is alpa prana second the is mahaprana so we should be careful without to not interchange that in some books it will be given as tadadho that is because they would have combined the sandhi as we are splitting as we are pausing after tadadha we are chanting the visarga but in many books it will be given as tadadho similarly in the next line also harardham dha is mahaprana dhya is mahaprana dhyayedyah this is again the and ya that is alpa prana like vidya so harardham dhyayedyah again in many books it would be given as harardham dhyayedyo that is combining the sandhi so if you choose not to pause after dhyayedyah you could chant it as harardham dhyayedyo haramahishite manmatha kalam okay because we are pausing we are chanting the visarga completely here anuswara followed by dha you could optionally combine and chant it as harardhan dhyayedyah that is also correct haramahishi te manmatha tha is mahaprana kalam sasadyas sankshobham bha is mahaprana please note this sasadyas sankshobham nayati vanita ityati laghu ghu is mahaprana and hrasva that is short letter so we should not prolong it as laghu it is laghu trilokimapyashu here again u is a short letter so we should not prolong it as trilokimapyashu Brahmayati, bha is mahaprana, Ravindustana yugam. Again, here observe this, the pronunciation Ravindustana, Dvitvam. Ravindustana yugam. Extra s is being heard, more stress on sa. Ravindustana yugam. Let us repeat this. Mokham bindum kritva ucha yugamadhas. तस्य तदधः
मुखं बिन्दुं कृत्वा कुचयुगमधस्तस्य तदधः मुखं बिन्दुं कृत्वा कुचयुगमधस्तस्य तदधः
हरार्धं ध्यायेद्यः हरमहिषिते मन्मथकलाम्
हरार्धं ध्यायेद्यः हरमहिषिते मन्मथकलाम् हरार्धं ध्यायेद्यः हरमहिषिते मन्मथकलाम्
ससद्यः संक्षोभम् नयति वनिता इत्यतिलघु
ससद्यः संक्षोभं नयति वनिता इत्यति लघु स सद्यः संक्षोभम् नयति वनिता इत्यति लघु
त्रिलोकीमप्याशु भ्रमयति रवीन्दुस्तनयुगाम्
त्रिलोकीमप्याशु भ्रमयति रवीन्दुस्तनयुगाम् त्रिलोकीमप्याशु भ्रमयति रवीन्दुस्तनयुगाम्.
In the third line, whether there is a dvitvam, sadya, there is a dvitvam, there is a stress there, sadya sankshobham. Similarly, ityati, there also, this there is a stress there again. So, ityati laghu. Dvitvam, in many places, it just comes naturally, automatically. So, even if I don't point out, just by listening, you will be able to pick up the dvitvam. Like I said, to know exactly the Vyakarana aspects of Dvitvam, I have already shared with you all the session we had with Dr. Soumya Krishnapur in our Suprabhatam class. So please listen to that so that you will know all the nuances and the grammatical aspects of Dvitvam. Now we will do half a verse at a time. Mukham bindum kritva kuchayuga madhas tasya tadadhah harardhan dhyayedyah haramahishite manmathakalam.
मुखं बिन्दुं कृत्वा कुचयुगमधस्तस्य तदधः हरार्धं ध्यायेद्यः हरमहिषिते मन्मथकलाम्. मुखं बिन्दुं कृत्वा कुचयुगमधस्तस्य तदधः हरार्धं ध्यायेद्यः हरमहिषिते मन्मथकलाम्.
ससद्यः संक्षोभम् नयति वनिता इत्यति लघु त्रिलोकीमप्याशु भ्रमयति रवीन्दुस्तनयुगाम्.
ससद्यः संक्षोभम् नयति वनिता इत्यति लघु त्रिलोकीमप्याशु भ्रमयति रवीन्दुस्तनयुगाम्. ससद्यः संक्षोभम् नयति वनिता इत्यति लघु त्रिलोकीमप्याशु भ्रमयति रवीन्दुस्तनयुगाम्.
Now the entire verse, once by Prithvi and once by Gauri Puja. So some of you have requested the panelists also to chant slowly. I think Prithvi is chanting slowly itself, just a general reminder to all the panelists. So please chant slowly because some of them are learning for the first time. So they want to hear you chanting slowly so that they will be able to follow. So just to all the panelists. And also here, in case you choose not to stop after Ityati Laghu, then you will have to chant it as Ityati Laghu Triloki Mapyashu. So please note that. And similarly, if you choose not to stop after Triloki Mapyashu, it would be Triloki Mapyashu Brahmayati Ravindustana. All these subtle nuances you will pick up as you listen and as you practice more. So keep listening. Like I say in every class, please listen to the recording. It's up on YouTube regularly. Every week it is uploaded. Then, and also please repeat now. While the panelists are repeating, you all also repeat wherever you are. And you can play the recording and keep repeating and listening. It will help you pick up these things easily, as in without exactly going into is there a dvitvam here and all that, even without knowing all those grammatical aspects, just by shravanam, you will pick it up easily. Automatically it happens. So now the entire verse, like I said, once by Prithvi, then followed by Gauri Puja. मुखं बिन्दुं कृत्वा कुचयुगमधस्तस्य तदधः हरार्धं ध्यायेद्यः हरमहिषिते मन्मथकलाम् स सद्यः संक्षोभम् नयति वनिता इत्यतिलघुत्रिलोकीमप्याशु भ्रमयति रवीन्दुस्तनयुगाम्
मुखं बिन्दुं कृत्वा कुचयुगमधस्तस्य तदधः हरार्धं ध्यायेद्यः हरमहिषिते मन्मथकलां स सद्यः संक्षोभं नयति वनिता इत्यतिलघुत्रिलोकीमप्याशु भ्रमयति रवीन्दुस्तनयुगाम्.
Uttamam. Now Gauri Puja once.
मुखं बिन्दुं कृत्वा कुचयुगमधस्तस्य तदधः हरार्धं ध्यायेत्यः हरमहिषिते मन्मथकलां स सद्यः संक्षोभं नयति वनिता इत्यतिलघु त्रिलोकीमप्याशु भ्रमयति रविन्दस्तनयुगाम्
Ravindusthanayugam.
रवीन्दुस्तनयुगाम्.
One more thing, Manmatha, the Tha Mahaprana should be clearer. And Brahmayati Ravindusthanayugam. I hope that is clear, all of you. It is Ravindu, E Dirgha. Ravindusthanayugam. Thank you, Prithvi and Gauri Puja. Next, Shivani. A very beautiful verse. Like you all know, we are not dealing with the meaning in this class, but each shloka in Saundarya Lahari is a mantra by itself. So great gurus will tell you the benefits of each shloka. And which is why my guru says it is a mantra shastram. They are not just shlokas, not just a stotram. It is mantra. So each one, when chanted with so much of devotion and faith and dedication, it definitely has that power. So this shloka, like you see in the last line, Jvara Plushtan Drishtya Sukhayati Sudhadhara Siraya. So this shloka helps anyone who has fever or anything to do. If you do japam, this definitely is a great blessing and it helps such people. So this is what our guru has told us. Let us learn this shloka. Shivani. Kiranti mangebhyah
किरन्ति मङ्गेभ्यः किरन्ति मङ्गेभ्यः
किरणनिकुरुम्बामृतरसम्
किरणनिकुरुम्बामृतरसम् किरणनिकुरुम्बामृतरसम्
हृदि त्वामाधत्ते
हृदि त्वामाधत्ते हृदि त्वामाधत्ते
हिमकरशिलामूर्तिमिव यः
हिमकरशिलामूर्तिमिव यः हिमकरशिलामूर्तिमिव यः
ससर्पाणान्दर्पम्
ससर्पाणान्दर्पम् ससर्पाणान्दर्पम्
शमयति शकुन्ताधिप इव
शमयति शकुन्ताधिप इव शमयति शकुन्ताधिप इव
ज्वरप्लुष्टान् दृष्ट्या
ज्वरप्लुष्टान् दृष्ट्या ज्वरप्लुष्टान् दृष्ट्या
सुखयति
सुखयति सुखयति
सुधाधारसिरया
सुधाधारसिरया सुधाधारसिरया.
उत्तमम्. So let us see the Mahapranas. Kiranti mangebhyah. Bha is Mahaprana. Kirana nikurumbamritarasam. So here amritarasam, that is the word. You should not chant it as amrita. The word is not amrita, it is amritam. Mri. So amritam is the word. Sometimes we hear it as amritam. That is not accurate. Kirana nikurumbamritarasam. Amritarasam. Hriditvam. Dvitvam here. Hriditvam. Extra t is heard. Hriditvam adhatte. Dha Mahaprana. Himakara shilamurtimiva yaha. Sasarpanam darpam. Anuswara followed by the. Optionally, we could combine it as a sandhi. Chant it as Sasarpanan darpam. Shamayati. Shakuntadhipa. Dha is Mahaprana. Iva. Here, while chanting together, Iva jvara plushtan. We get a dvitvam again if you chant together. So Shakuntadhipa iva jvara. Extra j there if you chant without a pause. Shakuntadhipa iva jvara plushtan. Again dvitvam before p. Jvara plushtan drishtya sukhayati. Kha is Mahaprana. Sudhadhara siraya. Dha are Mahapranas. Here, Drishtya, Sudhadhara Siraya, Dirgha in the end. So please note that while chanting. Kiranti mangebhyah Kiranani kurumbamritarasam.
किरन्ति मङ्गेभ्यः किरणनिकुरुम्बामृतरसम् किरन्ति मङ्गेभ्यः किरणनिकुरुम्बामृतरसम्
हृदित्वामाधत्ते हिमकरशिलामूर्तिमिव यः
हृदि त्वामाधत्ते हिमकरशिलामूर्तिमिव यः हृदि त्वामाधत्ते हिमकरशिलामूर्तिमिव यः
ससर्पाणां दर्पं शमयति शकुन्ताधिप इव
ससर्पाणां दर्पं शमयति शकुन्ताधिप इव ससर्पाणां दर्पं शमयति शकुन्ताधिप इव
ज्वरप्लुष्टां दृष्ट्या सुखयति सुधाधारसिरया
ज्वरप्लुष्टां दृष्ट्या सुखयति सुधाधारसिरया ज्वरप्लुष्टां दृष्ट्या सुखयति सुधाधारसिरया.
So this shloka, like I said, is speaking about that supreme healing power which is there, which is universal, which is there in everyone also. So to realize that supreme universal healing power, then they do japam of shlokas like this and invoking blessings of Bhagavati Devi. So here one more thing, Jvara Plushtan Drishtya. Please note this. This letter is Dr. So we should not chant it as Dri or Dru. There is a common tendency to chant it that way. It is not Drushtya, nor is it Drishtya. It is Drishtya. Dr. D plus the swara R. So it is a Gunitaksharam, like Krishna, similar to that. Drishtya. Dr. Amritam, here also. It is not Amrutam or Amritam. It is not E or U. It is Amritam. So note that swara R, like Rishihi, Rituhu, that we should get accurate pronunciation of that particular letter. So now the entire verse, once by Shivani, followed by Prithvi. Kiranti mangebhyah kiranani kurumbamritarasam hriditva madhatte himakarashilamurtimivayah sasarpanam darpam shamayati shakuntadhipa ivajvara plushtan drishtya sukhayati sudhadharasiraya.
किरन्ति मङ्गेभ्यः किरणनिकुरुम्बामृतरसं हृदि त्वामाधत्ते हिमकरशिलामूर्तिमिव यः ससर्पाणां दर्पं शमयति शकुन्ताधिप इव ज्वरप्लुष्टान् दृष्ट्या सुखयति सुधाधारसिरया.
Tamam. Prithvi.
किरन्ति मङ्गेभ्यः किरणनिकुरुम्बामृतरसं हृदि त्वामाधत्ते हिमकरशिलामूर्तिमिव यः ससर्पाणां दर्पं शमयति शकुन्ताधिप इव ज्वरप्लुष्टान् दृष्ट्या सुखयति सुधाधारसिरया.
Uttamam. There is a question about verse 19, Tadadho Dhyayedyo. Like I pointed out while I was teaching verse 19, in books it would be given mostly as Kuchayuga Madhastasya Tadadho Harardham Dhyayedyo. That is because they have combined the Sandhi, Visarga Sandhi. Because we are pausing there, we are splitting the Sandhi and we are chanting the Visarga completely. So this is something we are following consistently in our classes here, that wherever we pause, we split the Sandhi. Wherever we choose not to pause, we combine the Sandhi. So because of that, we have chanted the Visarga completely because we are splitting. And in the class, like I've been saying, to make it easier for all of you who are familiar with Sanskritam, some of you who are new, who are learning chanting for the first time, we are splitting the Sandhis in between so that it will be easier for you. You can learn smaller words. But if you're comfortable too, you can combine the Sandhi and chant, provided you combine it correctly. And we will also share, subsequently, we will also share the version PDF with you with all the Sandhis combined. Okay, so that would aid in your practice. For now, consistently, we are splitting the Sandhis at the end of a pada and wherever it is possible between the pada, as in where we can pause or take a breath. So I hope that is clear. After third line, fourth line, ityati laghu triloki mapyashu. It is an option. If you want, you can pause after ityati laghu, then start triloki mapyashu. Otherwise, you could chant it together. Same thing applies to the next verse also. Shakuntadhipa iva jvara plushtan. So iva followed by jvara. Here, again, you could either chant it as iva jen jvara plushtan or shamayati shakuntadhipa iva jvara plushtan. If you choose to combine, it would be iva jvara plushtan, extra j, dvitvam. So one question is how many times to chant? See, it is really up to you. And if you have any gurus telling you, or following any gurus, you can follow that. But japa or repeating any verse or the name of Bhagavan itself is a yajna. And those who have learned 10th chapter Gita, Bhagavan says, yajnanam japa yajñosmi. So under among the yajnas, I am the yajna of japa. So yajna doesn't only mean, Ashwamedha yajna and Rajasuya sacrifice. They are also yajnas, yes. But anything like even japa, Bhagavan says he is japa, repeating, his name or Bhagavati's name or any shloka. That is also a japa yajna. And if you realize, if you start training the mind like that, it is a great exercise. It is a great spiritual and a psychological exercise. So it helps to control the thoughts and bring your thoughts to, a standstill, and it infuses peace. So all these things one should experience oneself. So japa you can do continuously. And, once you start training the mind like that, automatically the mind also starts thinking of these positive positive vibrations, and the vibration of these verses itself influences you. So it's a great exercise. So you can do japa as many times as you want, and that will become a part of your lifestyle. So it is very healthy also. So let us quickly revise from 17 to 20. Savitri-bhirvacham shashimani-shilabhangaruchibhihi vashinyadhyabhistvam sahajanani sanchintayati yaha sakarta kavyanam bhavati mahatam bhangiruchibhihi vachobhirvagdevi vadana kamalamodamadhuraihi tanuchchayabhiste tarunataraniශ්री saranibhihi divam sarvamurvim arunimanimagnaam smarati yaha bhavantyasyaत्र syadvanahrinashalina nayanaha sahorvashyavashyaha kati kati nagirvanaganikaha mukham bindum kritva kuchayugamadhastasya tadadhaha harardhan dhyayedyah haramahishite manmathakalam sasadyas sankshobham nayati vanita ityati laghutrilokim apyashu भ्रमयति रवीन्दुस्तनयुगां किरन्तीमङ्गेभ्यः किरणनिकुरुम्बामृतरसं हृदि त्वामाधत्ते हिमकरशिलामूर्तिमिव यः ससर्पाणान्दर्पम् शमयति शकुन्ताधिप इव ज्वरप्लुष्टान् दृष्टान् दृष्ट्या सुखयति सुधाधारसिरया. Many of you have requested for a recap of 20 verses. We will be doing it in the next class. So we will revise. I will chant all the 20 shlokas, and then we will have individual chanting. One more question is, will there be a separate playlist for revision shlokas? So actually what we do is, for now, what we have started doing is, we will have, I mean, like I said, after 20 verses, we will have one class, next class, where I will chant all the 20 verses at a stretch. So you could listen to that recording, that would help. And for chanting courses, so let us see, after the class, or maybe if possible during the class, we will also try to have a complete recording and post it as a separate video on YouTube, a complete recording of 100 verses. So that would also help you. But till then, till we give out such videos, recordings, so you could just listen to the revision classes. So next class, all 20 at a stretch, followed by individual chanting. So please practice. Yeah, there are a lot of requests for recording of first 20 verses. Yes, next class I will be chanting it, and after the class that will be uploaded on YouTube. So please note that. A dot on top of N is another doubt. Kiranti mangebhyah. If you see, this is actually nga with a ga samyuktaksharam. Kiranti mangebhyah. Therefore, you have that dot on top of N. So to know exactly how IAST works, we should go through, I mean, the diacritics, the rules, we should go through the Sanskritam verses, letters, and subsequently see how it is to the corresponding IAST. Then you will know the entire rule. But here we will not go through the rules of each and everything. But please listen and try to understand how the pronunciation works. Sundarajan Mahodaya had said there is a typo in verse 16 in the diacritic. I will just check. I'll just also get it checked. I don't know where exactly you are saying, Sundarajan Mahodaya, where in verse 16? Okay, I will anyway get it checked once again. So let us conclude with Shanti Mantraha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarvebhyah dhanyavadaha. Thank you very much for attending. Hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you to all our panelists, Shivani, Prithvi, Vihan, Charu, Gauri Pooja, and Kavya. We will meet next class, and like I said, next class will be a revision session. So please practice, and you all will have an opportunity to chant individually. I'm hoping all of you, whoever wishes to chant, will get a chance. If not, we'll have it in the subsequent classes. So please practice, and you can raise your hand in the next class, and I will give you a chance to chant. Dhanyavadaha, Ram Ram Ram. We will meet next Sunday at the same time.